Like, when you are into a particular career for a long time, you have your liabilities and your lifestyle, uh,
Correct.
kind of, gets accustomed to, that job that you're doing. So I was pretty scared कि कैसे होगा, क्या होगा, because I had heard from a lot of people कि भाई, when you be an actor, you could also be jobless for a few months, and for years there are people who are not getting work. So it's good that you've got this thing, but you don't know till when, what is go on. So I was a bit skeptical, but then I thought, yeah, it's a chance worth taking, and this thing has come to me. Unlike most of the other actors who had to go to Mumbai and they had to start from scratch, I this is something wherein I'm sitting in Bangalore and I'm getting the offer, so I should take it, man. I mean, so I took my chances, and until now, it turns out that I made the right decision, and I hope that's good. I have my fingers crossed.
Of course, fingers crossed. Definitely, it's the right decision so far, and आगे जाके भी I hope it works out in that fashion. But एक चीज मुझे बताओ, you said कि you were in Bangalore when you got this offer. There
Yeah.
are 50 people I know. I've stayed in Delhi for the longest of time, and I see people near Aram Nagar everywhere. People there. The line is like immense. There are people. I think 100, 200 people standing there wanting to give auditions, just wanting to get that first break. Now you over here, on the other hand, you are here in Bangalore. You're working in, say, an IT company, and then somebody offers you. So did it actually feel surreal? Because मतलब did you feel कि यार मैंने तो उतना कुछ उस हिसाब से किया नहीं है to get this offer? So how do I actually get it? Is it genuine? Because there are 50 questions that might come at that point of time. That how do I take this forward? Why me? Did you have those questions, or were you always like यार मतलब आया है तो let's go with the flow and see how things go?
No, I was absolutely stunned, man. See, because I know how things. I mean, I had never been to Mumbai, but I knew I had heard stories, and I knew that एक struggling actor की life क्या होती है. You have to really work hard, you have to keep trying, and उसके बाद जाके you connect, and finally you get a role like this. So यहाँ पे तो ये था कि everything was sort of being served to me in a plate, right? I'm just sitting there, and this was like a cakewalk for me. I'm just working and I'm driving back home one day and I see that there is a message on my phone that there's this role that really we think you could fit in. So how about you send us your audition? मुझे लगा कि चल ठीक है ऑडिशन भेज देता हूँ बहुत कॉल्स आते रहते हैं ऐसे ही होगा होगा या नहीं होगा पता नहीं बहुत लंबी लाइन है they must have taken auditions from like 50 other people for the same role.
Absolutely.
So the chances of me pulling it off were really slim, and but then they called me to Mumbai for the mock shoot, and then I came to Mumbai. और last तक भी मुझे लग रहा था कि पता नहीं होगा या नहीं होगा, because until you sign on that contract, you're always skeptical कि पता नहीं क्या हो जाए, right?
True.
But yeah, this magic happened, and that was the reason. I just told myself कि अगर अभी भी I don't take this chance, then I should never, even think of being an actor in my life, because this is a
Yes.
good start. This is not magical, so I should make the most of it. तो मैंने
Yeah.
अपना बैटिंग किया और मैं आ गया.
Yeah. And I think एक जो एक होता है ना जर्नी का स्टार्टिंग that you just need that one moment which needs to work in your favor, and boom, there on onwards everything is right there. And I think that's pretty much the thing that's gone ahead for you. But when you went there and when you saw that there are people who have been there in the industry for so long, did you actually have those nerves going in कि यार मतलब these are experienced people, it's a very good show, it's a very popular show, so I need to do justice to the kind of faith that has been shown on me. Did you have those thoughts, or you were always like नहीं यार मुझे तो select किया गया है यहाँ पे, I have been selected for my audition, so I'm gonna just kick it like anything? So what were you, did you have that nerves when you went there?
Pressure to tha. See, actually, the first day when I faced the camera, I was very nervous because I had never been in front of the camera in my life. The audition shoot karna is different, right? I mean, being live, वहाँ पे director है, there is an entire team, and you can't just keep taking your time. You have to remember the lines. So
Correct.
in my head, all this time in my life, I thought, okay, actor की job, it's all about luck, and there's not much hard work involved. Like lines ही तो याद करनी है, कर लोगे lines यार, क्या हो गया उसमें? Like रट्टे भी तो मारेंगे, exams भी तो दिए हैं पहले, right? So,
Yeah.
but then I realized it's much more than that. When I actually got to be in that position, I realized that you just don't have to memorize those lines. You have to enact them. You have to look like you're feeling those lines, and you have to be that person. So when I did it for the first time, I was very nervous, and I could realize how wrong I was and how hard this job is. So yes, it is about luck, But then, yeah, you have to play the part well, otherwise you're gone. Yeah.
Absolutely. And starting agar acha ho jaye, so you can obviously take that forward. We are obviously having this discussion, but at the same time, there are a lot of fans out there who want you to react to some of their comments. Obviously, it's not possible to react to all, but if you could just kindly see some of the comments that are there and react to them, I think wo sabse zyada khush ho jayenge fir.
Yeah, I can see them coming live. Hello, Vanshika. Hi, Priyansh lovers.
There's Aziz saying,
Hello, hello, Aziz. Hello,
Anna
Anna.
saying,
Hi, Varsha.
yeah.
Hi, Jyoti. Hello, Priyanka. Hi, hi.
Oh, you're
Hello.
getting as well. There's somebody who just said that, love from UK.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much, man. I'm really blessed. And it's really shocking that people in UK are watching me as well. Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
absolutely.
Hello, Krupa. Hi, Mufid. Again. Hello, Shanta. Hi, Rahul. Gurmeen. Hi, Gurmeen.
Please say hi, Atulya. Atulya, this person wants you to take the name Atulya.
Hi, Atul.
The fans and admirers, they have the sweetest of requests all the time. You cannot really, do all of them. But at the same time, it's about maintaining a right balance of, us talking and, taking care of the fans out there. But एक चीज मुझे बताओ कि when I see your photos on Instagram, जैसे आप यहाँ पे ऐसे करके biceps दिखाते हो, if you show your, ripped body, a lot of people get those fashion and fitness goals as well. So what do you actually, ये जो fitness का जो ये, it's like a disease. Once you get it, you cannot really get rid of it, and it's a good disease to have. ठीक है? तो ये this disease did you have even before acting या फिर acting के बाद you were like कि नहीं यार, it's very important to be very fit and like that in the entertainment industry. So ये कब से हुआ है? Was it before becoming an actor or actor बनने के बाद से the awareness kind of increased a lot more?
No, see, actually, I'll be very honest. Fitness has been my lifestyle since the last 2-3 years. So what happened was, 3 saal pehle, I just realized that I've become overweight. So I weighed, and I'm not kidding. I'm not just saying this to just gain some attention or something. I became almost 105 kgs. Okay. So
Whoa.
yeah.
वो फोटो है कहीं सोशल मीडिया में कहीं पे?
Yeah, I have pictures. I have pictures, and I'm gonna share that with with everyone soon. So there was this major transformation that I had gone through over the period of next 1 year. So I put on a lot of weight, but the scene was now I'm 6'1". I'm quite tall, I would say. So वो weight जो है ना वो दिखता नहीं है उतना. Like people don't realize कि oh you can't be 105 kgs, right? So फिर मैंने actually start किया, and I just made a resolution कि I have to transform myself. I have to come in that 80-85 वाला weight का bracket, and then I worked really hard. So that hard work and the mehnat which I did for 1 year, it actually got into me, and then it became a lifestyle. Now I can never be that same person. I can never have that junk food, and fitness is a lifestyle for me now. And I'm not much of a gym person. So all this lockdown, all this while 6 months, I could not go to the gym, and I didn't do much of home workouts as well. So what I focus on is my diet. I believe diet is the most important thing in the world. If you can get your diet right, you don't need anything to stay fit, from the inside and from the outside. So I may not have like a 17-inch big bicep, but you should look fit, and you should be fit from the inside as well. So that's what I believe in. And so it's a lifestyle. Fitness is a lifestyle for me now, and I think it's going to go on till my last breath. Yeah.
Of course. And it's a good lifestyle, as I said in the very beginning, to have and continue. But, you said, you already answered that part where you said because of the lockdown, gym and all wasn't really possible. So you took care of your diet to ensure that the fitness, the lifestyle that is there regarding fitness, it doesn't go away. But मुझे एक बात बताओ कि ये जो जर्नी अब तक रहा है आपका in Bombay, and it's obviously going to go forward from here on. What have you received in terms of compliments from your friends, your family members? Because it's like a dynamic shift altogether. They're seeing their घर का चिराग going to an IT company and working, and suddenly it's like boom, Bangalore se direct Mumbai ka ticket, and getting all this success, fame, attention, love, and everything that an actor desires for. So ये जो एक dynamic shift हुआ है in your family and your friends circuit, how have they reacted to it so far?
See, family के end पे ना, see, when I talk about family, I just talk about my parents and my brother first, who are my immediate family. So they were initially very scared, of course, like any normal parents would be. They were like, बेटा ये क्या कर रहा है? 7 साल से काम कर रहा है, ये क्या पागल हो गया? किसी पागल कुत्ते ने काट लिया क्या? Like, what the fuck are you doing? So it was really hard to explain to them that, I believe in myself and I think this is a chance I should take. But anyway, I do what I think is right, as I told you. So I just took my chances, and then now they are happy to see me on TV every day. Now, slowly, from the first time when they saw me on TV to now, when people compliment them and they know that 7 baje they're gonna open the TV and they're gonna see my face. They're pretty excited now. They're pretty sorted. They don't complain about it much now. But बाकी के relatives, तो ना, like बाकी के रिश्तेदार, they would just call my mom or dad and they'll be like, कब तक चलेगा, पता नहीं कुछ भी हो सकता है आगे जाके, ये तो इंडस्ट्री बहुत खराब है, इंडस्ट्री का नाम खराब है, ऊपर से this drug and all, this recent drug and all का drama that has come up, what if he goes into drugs and all, so I'm like, no, not everybody is like that, bhai. It's not that the entire Bollywood and entire TV industry is taking drugs, every now and then. So it depends on who you are as a person, right? So I just told them, like, I am pretty sorted in my head and you need not worry, but that rishtedaro ka drama will always be there.
It will be there, and मेरे भाई क्या होता है ना, once you are going to do something good, there are probably 5 people who would want to pull you upwards in a good direction, but 5 लोग अगर रहेंगे ऐसे, लेकिन 50 लोग आपको नीचे ले जाने के लिए जरूर रहेंगे हमेशा, even if those 5 people are not there. So your रिश्तेदार हो या other people हो, you continue focusing on whatever you're doing. And last question जो कि मुझे यहाँ पे किसी ने पूछा था, I forgot the name, but it came from a fan group. Manasvians, that's the name. So they want you to utter the name Manasvians. उनके लिए मेरे भाई जरा बोल दो Manasvians.
Absolutely. So there is this really sweet bunch of people who call them Manasvians. They are my fans. And the only thing I could say to them is that, these people are my strength and they are the ones who bring a smile to my face every time I open up my Instagram. Because I am always, I'm always.
Yeah. Yeah.
This Manasvians group continues to grow bigger as I do more work, henceforth. So yeah, I am really blessed to have them.
So Manasvians, आप लोग ने सुन लिया. You wanted me to take forward your point to him, and I have taken that forward. So he wants you to make the group even bigger. So focus on doing that. Definitely, he will also get bigger. The group will also get bigger simultaneously. Last question before मैं आपको जाने दूँ, ये है कि you're obviously started with a nice negative role, but then not just me, a lot of people feel that your face is tailor-made for that sweet romantic hero wala type. So do you want to play that somewhere down the line in the near future?
Sorry, I just got a call in. So you're saying that?
Yeah. Thing is that you obviously started very well in the negative aspect, but आपका जो ये शक्ल है, your eyes and everything, it's kind of tailor-made for the sweet romantic chocolate boy hero type wala role. So somewhere down the line, deep down in your heart, you want to play that?
No, absolutely. I can't wait to play a positive character, and I mean that's what I'm looking forward to next. I'm really keen, and touchwood, see the show is going great so far. So I would like to burn my bridges with the IMMJ and the producers here, and I would really continue to work here. But yes, in future, if there's a good opportunity for me wherein I could play a lead role, especially a positive character, I would love to do that anytime.
Of course, definitely you will. Inshallah, mashallah, definitely आपको opportunity जरूर मिलेगा. Continue doing what you are doing, मेरे भाई. Thank you.